Happy Christmas and also Happy New Year 2026. This is Abhinandan. Abhinandan in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. It's about 7:15 p.m. Abhinandan here. So yesterday was a very miracle day for me. A very good miracle. And today also a slight miracle thing happened. But I'll tell you about yesterday's story. Okay, I was looking for a printer from last few days who will join the business with me. Who will print for me slips, 24,000 or 30,000 slip like this. This is all in Spanish. I've designed the 6 type, but the 1 type I'm showing here. Okay, now you know what here. I just now came over here. From morning I had some work, and so happy Christmas for all those people who are there on my Facebook or on my WhatsApp. If at all you're watching this, okay, connect with Abhinandan. I am telling you categorically. You know why? Because you can connect with a lot of other people. But with Abhinandan, when you work, your benefit will be much more. Probably by the end of 2026, maybe November, October, November, you can have an opportunity to visit USA. I am not exaggerating. You have to believe. I visited USA 5 times. I was in USA for 6 months, in Richmond and in Miami for 3 months. There are some skeptical people. Okay, they without seeing, this is the most beautiful lady who keeps selling the bun. I always keep seeing her. Okay, one day I'll give the slip to her with a Spanish person. Now, you know what? So you have to contact and speak to me if you want to make 2026 a great year financially, and if you really want to travel. 2024 after COVID, 2022 I was in Dubai, 2023 I visited 10 countries, including 4 European countries. Okay, when you join a business with any of your associate, have they traveled like Abhinandan? Okay, people go join. I've seen with some useless people. So anyhow, I want to wish, I've already taken photos here earlier only. I'll put this photo on Facebook or somewhere. So happy Christmas and make 2026 a great year financially. Very great year financially. So there's a huge rush. I'll come later. So you contact and speak to Abhinandan. Abhinandan here. Okay, you contact and speak to Abhinandan. Again, I'm repeating. If you want to make 2026 a great year financially, okay, and if you want to travel the world through a business, there are many people, okay, who will ask me stupid question and come to stupid conclusion. There's one person, I will talk about him later, but I've done yesterday a video after the miracle happened. The miracle, slightly I'll tell you. I only told the printer, if you join my business with $55 and in another 5 days time, if you refer either 5 people or you only take the 5 IDs, okay, and once you start earning $3,000 and above per month, okay, once you earn about $7,000, I'll give you a trip to India. He's from Turkey, but he's settled here. And then if you cross more than $20,000 earning, okay, she's a very hard-working lady here. She always keep carrying the one in the front, okay. So always carrying that with her, and very young and very pretty, I think. So my crush. Now anyhow, I've not spoken, so don't think anything bad. I just say, okay, anyhow, Abhinandan here. So now you have to speak to Abhinandan if you want to make 2026 a great year financially and want to travel the world. Don't come to conclusion. You have to travel 4 or 5 times. 4 or 5 times you have to 4 or 5 times you have to speak. You have to watch 4 or 5 videos. There are people who just read one image. They don't read fully. Okay, they come to their own conclusion and tell one idiot is there. One idiot. I'll give you his number. You speak to him. Without studying, or he's telling Abhinandan is a scammer. Like that, when they cannot tolerate and offer what Abhinandan is offering for people to achieve. No one will offer anything freely. No one will offer anything to anyone freely. Okay? So only when you join the business with $55 and work towards it, after 6 months time or 8 months time, I can offer you a free business trip. All other companies in India, fake companies, will tell you, you know what, join with $10,000. Not me, others. Join with $10,000. My loud voice is making everyone see me. Okay, there's wondering what is this language is speaking. So, $10,000, they'll give you 2 days trip to Bangkok. Abhinandan is telling you to join with $55. Okay, this is not an investment scheme. I do not do investment ROI. Let me tell you that. So I want you to ask me the yesterday's video. I have not edited it. That was a miracle of yesterday. Okay, so it was a Christmas Eve miracle. So once again, I'm going to stop right now. If you watch this completely, I will tell you to watch the videos and speak to me. I'll go to a more crowded area since it's Christmas. I want to wish other people also, good looking people. Okay, someone will be very potential with English. I'll always have my slip like this in my hand. Okay, this is make 2026 a great year financially. The moment 2 people read it today in the morning, because I don't distribute, only when I talk to someone, I just give it. They were astonished and they gave me their number. So I know how to generate leads not only in India, not only in Dubai, not only in Malaysia, not only in USA or Colombia, but even in Bolivia over here. So let me go inside. So this is a more crowded area. So this is the back side of the church. I know I've done many times the videos. Some have not edited it. So this is in a historic center. Okay, historic center in Santa Cruz, Bolivia, not Santa Cruz, Mumbai. Okay, Santa Cruz means, I did not know what it means. Santa Cruz means Holy Cross. Okay, now, so if at all you're watching this video, I want you to call me and speak to me. I am not interested in people who keep only chatting and they just want to know what it is and they come to their own wrong conclusion and they don't make money. I study everything in detail. I study everything in detail for all these people. After I finish recording, I'll be talking to some of these people. I'll be giving a new slip. New slip. You speak English? No? He does not speak English. But I want to give you something. Wait, let me 1 second. For people of this one, I have a lot of slips like this. I will give one of the slip for him. Wait. So this slip says, if I give you a free website, I have designed this to give it to the people with both side printing. And I got it printed freely. I was about to give $300. The printer did not take. Okay. So read it completely both sides. Okay?
Yeah.
Read it both the side. Thank you very much. Read it and contact WhatsApp me on this. WhatsApp my number. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. But read it. It is going to help you. Okay. So I am planning now. I got this printed yesterday, and the printer printed it for me freely. I told either I will pay you. It's actually $450. I told I'll pay you $300 first, but you have to come to a crypto exchange because I don't want to collect his money. I don't collect people's money. Okay? So I tell them you have to come to the crypto exchange, understand the business. He told I'm interested. I'm very much interested after reading all the information. So I told him you have to come, understand the power of crypto earning. He knows USDT. His brother is there in London. He speaks English. His brother, he spoke to me. Then I designed that slip for all these kind of shops. And these shopkeepers stand from morning 9 o'clock till night 11 o'clock with this kind of things. And none of them have a free website. There are computer institutes here, computer institute training centers which don't have a website. I'll speak to her later. This lady is very good friend. Okay, she's selling honey. Okay, I'll talk to her after she speaks. You speak English? I want to give you something later. Happy Christmas. Okay, I'll come. Okay, so this is honey. I had taken honey from Dubai for 8,800 rupees. 8,800 propolis. I have not used even once also. But anyhow, if your watch is so much, I'm going to do my promotional activity later. I'm recording right now. I learned responsive web designing while I was here. I spent 25,000 rupees for Adobe package, nearly 24,000 rupees for Adobe package, and then Dreamweaver, Photoshop, everything. Then I spent for Bluehost another 14,000 rupees. And I'll be giving for people who join the business with the 6 IDs. With the 6 IDs, not 1 ID. 1 ID you can join, and within 5 days if you upgrade to 5 IDs or you refer 5 people in 5 days time, you know what? I give you a responsive website. Many people in India who is doing referral business, network marketing, shame on them. 90% people don't have a laptop. 90% don't have a laptop. So Messi. Okay. Messi. Okay. Messi was in India. They built a big statue for him. So, what I'm trying to say is, I'm going around and I'm recording. So, for you to get a free biz visit to Malaysia, China, okay, Colombia, and later USA, it is not free. There's one stupid fellow telling everyone. Abhinandan is telling he'll give a free visit. He's a scammer. He does not read. I write the longest message in detail. People don't read and they don't make money. Readers are leaders. Readers are leaders. Okay. So for every of this book, I'll be giving this slip. So this is a very good book. Secret of Millionaire. Okay. It's all in Spanish. What kind of books is this? You speak English, sir?
A little. This is poetry.
Oh, this is poetry.
Yeah.
All of this you have written?
I'm the author. I'm the writer.
Oh, you're the author.
Yeah.
Very nice. You speak English. I'm very happy. I'm from India.
Also,
I was in USA, then Colombia, Peru, and here right now.
I'm now in Bolivia.
Now in Bolivia, then I'll be going to Chile and Argentina. So all this is only in Spanish.
In Spanish.
Can I have your card? I want to give you something special to you as a free gift of my expertise.
Let me show you something of my poetry.
Okay.
I write about food, you know, Bolivian food, Santa Cruz food.
Fruit.
Food.
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 Ah, very good. I love Bolivian food.
Have you tasted any Bolivian food?
I don't know the names, but I eat everything.
Okay. I write about food like we call majadito.
Okay.
It's something with rice.
Okay.
Queperi, a meat in the oven. Meat.
Okay.
Well, many kind of foods. This is the poetry about the food.
Okay.
And this is a guy who is having a majadito
Okay.
with his egg. This lady is making food and the kids are waiting for food.
Yeah. We used to
Yeah.
wait like this when we were younger.
Very younger, yeah, the younger ones. But I also write with pain when the jungle is burned.
Okay.
Have you seen it? When they burn the jungle. Well, in my poetry, this guy come to pick all the dead animals,
Okay.
but he will pick up also the one who make the fires.
Okay.
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 Sorry about my English. It's,
No, that's very good. You're speaking very good.
Every year we see this scene, this
Okay.
picture in the real life. here
Where in Amazon Valley or where? Here in Colombia?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry, in Bolivia?
here in Bolivia. Every
Okay.
year it happens.
Okay.
It's very bad.
Okay.
And but I also write books for kids
Okay.
with dogs. Some of my books have
Okay.
dogs.
So I want to give you a free website. Do you have your own website?
I do.
Oh, very good. You're already having?
Yeah, it's alfredirodriguezautor.com.
Okay, very good. I'll take the picture of it.
Okay.
But for those who want, I can give a free website.
Okay.
Okay, and this is my card.
Okay. Oh.
Okay,
So
you
are-
read everything. I'm a business mentor and a trainer.
Okay.
Okay, you read everything of this, read everything. I'll give you another one. I would like to talk to you later since you speak English.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
So-
You have this one.
Okay.
Okay, since you already have a website, I'll take this. I have this too. You read it. Both side you read it today. Both side is common. Back side. Front side, this is like my card, and this is here. I got it printed here in Santa Cruz, and the printer printed for me freely before taking the money.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I will comment this with my friends.
Yeah, very good. So
Okay.
what I'll do is your full name.
Alfredo Rodriguez Peña.
Okay, very good. I'll
You?
visit your Abhinandan here. Abhinandan.
Abhinandan. Okay.
Yeah, that's my name. You have my card. I'll WhatsApp you from my Peru number. I have a USA number, but I'll WhatsApp you from Peru number.
Okay.
Okay, let me take your photo of this one. So
nice
this
to
is
meet
Abhinandan here. Nice to meet you. Nice to know you. I love reading books,
Okay.
but unfortunately it is in Spanish. If it was in English, I would have.
I will have some in English maybe this next year.
Okay, very good.
I'm making translations.
Yeah, let me take your details. 1 second. So I spoke to that author, took his details. He has a website. Many people won't have a website. There are institutes which don't have websites here. Okay. So I'll be talking to all these people later, and I'll be giving them a website only for people who associate, not for everyone. There are some stupid people who don't listen clearly. Okay, like when stupid fellow is contacted telling people some wrong information in this group. I have blasted him. Okay, so now Abhinandan on a Christmas Day, 25th December 2025 at Santa Cruz, Bolivia. Now I'll sit somewhere, arrange my slips, and then I will talk to people. Okay, even if I keep generating a couple of 5 to 10 contacts like this author and lot of other people, it will benefit me. Though I work only with some 2 or 4 people, and all these other leads go to them, go to someone who is very active. So either you're from India or Dubai or Malaysia or USA or Colombia, you can contact and speak to Abhinandan. Visit my website, watch the video in my website. Very important to watch the full video in my website, abhits.info. There's a lot more to see. Okay, but I like to, after stop recording, I will interact with people. Let me go that side again, friend side. Okay, and connect with people. I enjoy connecting with people. You speak English?
No.
Huh? Okay. Thank you. He was with his wife and kid. Wife was having a frightened face, but she was very pretty. Okay. I could have stopped and given the card, but there is a lot of time for me to flirt around. Okay. So after flirting around and seducing people's mind, then I will talk. See the crowd over here. It's a huge crowd, though it is the middle of the week. Usually on Sundays the crowd will be like this. Only on Sundays. But today, though it's the middle of the week, it's a huge crowd. When you stop right now, there's a lot to go around. So I don't want to hold the mobile like this. So let me go around, have fun, interacting with people. You cannot speak to thousands of people. Someone, you 1 or 2 people or 4 or 5 people, you will enjoy talking when you sit down in one place and interact. There won't be a place to sit today, I think. But let me go around first.